subukan natin wag papasukin ng negativity sa ating buhay. I mean, negativity is inevitable, pero we can control our emotions and how we think. Yeah. Diba? So, we can still avoid negativities. And if meron kang sentiment na alam mong makakasakit ng iba, just keep it to yourself. Ayun. And stay hydrated. Let's choose peace, love, and happiness. I know some of us, ako, are having challenges sa buhay, ganyan. Pero always remember na palaging merong tao na nandyan lang para sa inyo. That will keep pushing you. If the fire inside you is burning out, then try to find a way to keep the fire burning. And ayun, let's stay divine and let's throw all of the negativities away. Connected sa EP yun. Thank you everyone for the support. Sa lahat ng bagong aces, sa lahat ng magiging aces pa lang, welcome to our family. We will keep trying to do our best para ma-meet din namin yung dapat namin ma-meet. And mapasaya namin kayo, ma-inspire namin kayo through our music. Thank you sa mga aces na, mga OG aces, sa mga old aces. Okay. Tanda na kayo. Thank you for welcoming the people sa family natin. Ayun, stay hydrated, vote wisely. If may nararamdaman na masama, agapan. Kasi mayroong pagkasakit sa panahon ngayon. See you sa mga next ganap. And thank you. Thank you again for all of the love. Yes. Bye-bye guys. See you soon. Old aces and new aces. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.